Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I've had a request from Maria, and Maria wanted to know if I had a recipe for the Four Thieves blend of essential oils. Well, yes I do, but before we go any further and thinking, Maria, that this will just save you and your family and all of your friends from this terrible virus that's attacking me, I just have to say that when you look at me, nothing about me as doctor. When you look again at me, nothing about me as scientist. Maybe years and years and years ago when the supposed band of four thieves were robbing graves, and the reason they didn't get it was because they were using this blend of essential oils. I don't know, but what I do know is I do use it for my blends only because I really love the smell of the essential oils that are in it. Now, I'm not going to bore you putting it in, but this is pretty much what I do for my recipe. It's 40 drops of clove, an amazing smell, I love it, 35 drops of lemon, 20 drops of cinnamon or cassia, 15 drops of eucalyptus, and 10 drops of rosemary. I put it into a little bottle. Usually I have it in a dark bottle, but I just wanted to show you what it looked like. Do make sure that you put the name of what it is on the outside of the bottle so you don't have any confusion. And when you be sure not to be putting this directly onto your skin. It's a whole blend that needs to be diffused with a carrier oil, or as I use mine for my foaming hand, liquid hand soap, or if I'm cleaning, I use it for cleaning the floors and things like that. You do have to be very careful of anything that has any kind of essential oils in it. And if you're pregnant or a small child, do your research to make sure that you're not going to get yourself into any kind of bother. I hope I've been of assistance to you, Maria, but verge on the cautious side by thinking that this might save us all in this virus, because I'm not a scientist. I'm not. Okay, so I hope that I've been of assistance. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again another day.